Here are top 3 side hustles where you do not need to build a brand. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. All right, so these are gonna be my top 3 choices for side hustles that you can do right now without building a brand. I know that there are people out there that don't necessarily want to start a business, they don't want to create a website, they don't want to create a logo, they don't want to come up with a business name. They just want a side hustle where they can make money now. So here we go. These are my top 3 that I have personally done myself, and I've ranked them. I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, 1 being the best. Starting it off with number 3, it is going to be Facebook Marketplace. So a lot of people disregard Facebook Marketplace in that you can actually make some really good money, especially if you focus on it. I know people who are doing between $1,000 to $5,000 a month and even more. With Facebook Marketplace, you don't need to create a brand. You just need to have a Facebook profile, have products to list on Facebook Marketplace. And oftentimes people ask me, well, I don't have any products. You do. You do have products. We all have stuff around us that we're really not using. Appliances, clothes, electronics. I guarantee you, you have things around you that you can put up on Facebook Marketplace. And to prove that you can make some good money on Facebook Marketplace, last year I actually did a Facebook Marketplace experience journey where I documented myself almost every week selling things on Facebook Marketplace that I had myself or that I got for free from my friends and family. And I pretty much got it to $5,000 in less than 3 months. Now, with anything, if you do want to make that kind of money on Facebook Marketplace, you need to be organized, you need to have a system, you need to know how to take good photos on your cell phone, which isn't that hard to do. Don't be that person that uploads blurry photos on Facebook Marketplace. And honestly, most people have at least $1,000 worth of stuff that they can sell on Marketplace in their home. Give you an example. Old cell phones, laptops, those can go for a couple $100s. During the experiment, I even sold an old flip phone from like the early 2000s for like 50 bucks. So if you have, a smartphone, an iPhone, even though it's like 1, 2, 3 years old, there are people that are looking for that. And you can easily get 100, 150 for that. So don't underestimate Facebook Marketplace. You likely have things to sell around you. Side hustle number 2 is merch by Amazon. So what is merch by Amazon? Basically, Amazon has this program where you create designs, digital designs, and you can either do this yourself or you can outsource it and you upload them to products. So they first started off with t-shirts and then like hoodies, hats, basically anything where you can print a logo on. That's the Merch by Amazon program. And they have since expanded their product line. But the most popular product is the basic t-shirt. So back when I was doing Merch by Amazon, I created the most simple designs. Because you might be thinking, I'm not a designer, I'm not an artist, I can't come up with creative designs. One of the very first designs that I created were text designs, meaning just like words on a t-shirt. So if you can type onto a computer into a simple software like Paint, you can create designs. And my very first text design was a t-shirt that said yup. So the word yup, Y-U-P, period. That was it. That was just because I would just say that saying all the time. And so I would put that on a t-shirt and it sold multiple times and I would get commissions from Amazon. Now back when I was doing this, I was getting about $4 to $5 US per t-shirt sold. So how it works is you provide Amazon with the digital design and they provide the customer support, manufacturing, and traffic. So anyone who bought my Yup t-shirt, they would send the order to the t-shirt, manufacturing company. They would ship it out. They would deal with customer support. I didn't know who the customer was, and all I got was the $4 or $5 commission in my Merch by Amazon dashboard. So this is side hustle number 2 that you can do because you don't need to create a brand. I never created any official clothing brand for this. It was honestly the most basic and the most simple designs that I came up with. And at one point, I was doing about $1,500 US a month with the Merch by Amazon program. And last but not least, number one is the Amazon Influencer Program. This is number one because compared to the other two, this one is the easiest. So with Facebook Marketplace, you need to find products, take pictures of the products, list the products, converse with a potential customer, send or meet with the potential customer to exchange for the sale. With Merch by Amazon, you need to think of the design, create the design either yourself or outsource it, upload it to Merch by Amazon, and do very minimal titling and keywords. With the Amazon Influencer Program, you literally need to take videos of products and describe the product and then upload the product, and then that's it. To me, Amazon Influencer Program is the most hands-off approach and the lowest learning curve. So out of all three, I enjoy the Amazon Influencer Program the most. And these are all three side hustles that you can do right now without creating a brand, creating a business, and you can do this all in the comfort of your own home. If you are interested in the Amazon Influencer Program, I do have a link below as I've created a course called the Profitable Reviewer. It takes you step by step on how to get into the program, how to get started with it, and how to make money with it. The link for that will be down in the description below. And if you're feeling ambitious, you could seriously do all three of these and make an insane amount of money. But I would build each one as you go. So build one of them, have a system, get it going where everything is running smoothly and you have processes, then move on to the next and then move on to the next. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this video was cool, and I'll see you in the next video.